friends, nice to meet you to this new episode of Weekbit. Yeah, on my kitchen table the Philips CD604, 604, yes. And seems to be a little bit dirty and we need Mr. Brush. This dust here, I cannot believe, cannot see that. How dusty is that, but I hate that. Not so good for me. Okay, and what happened with it? We don't know, but we insert the connector and let's have a look what's happened with it. And we need a CD. Take the CD from here, closing the door, and it's doing something and make an error. You take this, a watch around. What's happened? Here we have two screws on the back side. Look, also here, two screws on the back side and dirty. Don't know what's happened with it. No. Mr. Brush will do the rest, and we need a special screwdriver from Philips. This is this. It's a Torx. You see, it's on the. It's a little star on it, and it's too big. Oh, yeah. I have a second here. I hope so this is working. This is the correct one. Look. Also we need this from England. And should I say, it's the first video in the year. We have now the 7th January 2024. I'm very late because I forgot to make a video, and now this is the video. Starting on Sunday, normally I make it under the week, but doesn't. We turn it on. The first thing what we would like to see is it possible that the light is not inside. The laser light is here, but very not so good. Can I switch this here? No. Oh. Laser light is here, but very, very weak. Yeah. Interest. What can that be? How can I measure this? With the EFM. But where is the EFM to measure? I long time don't repair Philips. It's interesting. Why? Maybe the CD can work. If it's the original, I can take an original CD. Maybe this is working. Knack. What does that mean? And then it spins in the other direction. Interest. And if I press play, this tuck means it kicks the lens to the CD. Hope so it's not defect. Yeah. The question is that should we higher the or rise up the current or not? But look what I'm finding. I found a CDM 419 new. brand new. And I think after these years we can change it. It's expensive, but we can change that. How is it fixed? I think so, it's here fixed. Okay, this was the fix. Look this here. Don't bend this pin too much. You'll see, it's very small. You must lift this a little bit, but with feeling, and you can. Okay. Alright, look here, looks good, and don't lose this spring, and I'll disassemble this. How I can put that out, I don't know. Zing, 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 zing. Lift it out, put it away, and then can I lift this out a little bit, huh? Maybe. But first we must disconnect this side from the laser pickup. Oops. We must move up this connector. I found out here is the something connected, and here I can release it from this connector. How can it? No way! What's happened with this? Aha! I see something good and something bad. I cannot release it under it. Super. And cannot hold it by the fingers. This is a big problem. Now the connector is gone. Out. Look. They have a connector here. And what is here? Oh, have a connector here too. But this connector and that connector are different. Oh my gosh, I must desolder it. Okay, this is the other connector. You see? Is it the other drive? No, it's the same drive. Now you can see it better. Here's the soldering iron. I would like to disconnect it here from the original and put it to the other. What's happened here with the soldering iron? Aha, it's a hook. They made a hook. Okay, but we are opening the holes from this motor. It's open. maybe I can write a letter on it for test purpose. And sorry, look, these are open now, the holes from the, this is the new one. We are desoldering this. Okay. Okay. Here we cutting the legs. Okay. And then here, oops, coming out, huh? Doesn't want to fit in, go in. Okay, looks good. We cut them a little bit, look, it's okay. I hope so. I don't. If you interchange it and you have a problem, the CD spin in the wrong direction. Not good. I hope so. I can bring that in here. Very funny. How they installed it in the factory. Maybe you can touch it by the fingers. No, you cannot touch it. This interest. How they can put that in. I tell you, this is impossible. With a special tool, this is impossible. They have maybe long fingers or what. Can it be? I found out how I can pick up this out. I installed this, pre-installed this because I cannot find it in here, and now we hope so I can put that in here with no problem, and then fix this problem to bring them in. So it's now in. Okay, I don't make that correct. Let's flip it up. Now press this in. Hope so. It holds. Is this working? Is it working or not? And now I put it in here. With the springs. Oh, don't forget to connect this here. Oh my gosh, this is a hardcore. Okay, and now it's dangerous. This plastic pad. Oh, did you see that? Unbelievable how to install this. I hope so the laser is working and so on. Yeah, I'm not happy with that solution, but okay. Now we must insert the spring here. This is also a thing what is not so easy. Oh, it was easy. Okay, and now we assemble the front. Oh, it's here. Sorry, it's the white one here. It's the white one, and the black one. Black one is here, and here is also something. If you know where the connectors are, no problem, but I don't know this machine. I never see it before. And now I can check this here, and here, or here, and this here. And the front is also not easy to install. Oh, it's easy if you know it, how it works. But so now, okay, it's finished for a test. It's good. We put one screw in the middle, and it's falling not apart. So, okay, and I hope so the drive will spin up now and we can make the test. Switching it on, okay. Oh, what's that? Oh, I forgot the tray. Okay. I was a little bit stupid. We must install first the tray. I forgot this. So switch off. I mean, how can that be? I forgot the drive. Yeah. But now it's not so complicated. I hope so. It's not so complicated to put that in. So. How is that again? It's not slides here. It's up. Okay, it's up. Then we must fill that in here also, and then so, and then so. So close. I hope so. It's good. I forgot origin on the tray. Yeah. Sometimes you can. Sometimes I'm wondering at myself because it's not all the time I'm concentrated good enough. And so this happens. It's like a motor without a cylinder. So close the deck, and so we do that again. So switching it on. Open it. Oh, and hope so. Fingers crossed. Spin. Error. No. How can that be? But doing the same. Oh my gosh, it's not on the drive. What can that be? Maybe I need an original CD. If it cannot read the CDs, maybe it's the older drive cannot read this. Is this possible? Put the original CD in a pressed, and now error. What can that be? Interesting. But the laser is here or not? Now the laser. I start it by hand. You see it? It's the laser light. It comes out of the lens. I open up the floor. Maybe there is something, solder joints or whatever, but I cannot say it often enough. I never repaired a CD player like this, and it's also possible that have a soldering joint problem. It's interesting. Ah, I see something here. Here, cold. Maybe it's a cold solder joint. Look, here is a massive failure. Here, at this pin. Massive solder joint, cold. It's cold. Oh, we can hope that it's a cold solder joint, huh? And yeah, it's a lot of. We must solder it and maybe it runs again. Yes, this I will do now. And yeah, it's a problem. And also the spring, I must find back this spring where it is and where it jumps out. So maybe making a short or so. It could be. I must switching on my soldering iron and making these solder joints. Back to work. Yeah, but here also you cannot see the direct, but it's unbelievable problem. I think so they invent the cold solder joint. Could it be? The problem on this is that it's not a direct failure. You have the issue that the issue occur in the room. What happened exactly with this failure? And if it's not a correct failure, then what you can say? As an electronic man or as a serviceman, you can say nothing. This is the problem. You don't find a failure. It's a mass of failures. Here also. Why is this so? Where we have a look is the IC, this one is the receiver for photo amplifier, and it goes out. And if you have a watch here on exactly this place here, you can see the 21, and this we would like to measure. There is the I button out, and so I hope so I can measure something on it. We measure it here now. CD is in. I press play. Spins up, totally nervous, but no, no signal. Maybe we change the focus a little bit. I have the problem, I don't know where the focus is exactly, and voltage. We put the focus to the middle. This is here. Okay. I think it spins up not correct. Look. This is too slow. It's a motor amplifier problem maybe. And then this power imbalance running back. Look. It's too slow, spin up. Stop. Aha. Spins up so slow. That means that the amplifier is not working correct. But how I can find it out? What I'm gonna do now is I measure the motor here and look at this signal. If I press play, it's up and down and worst. Now it spins up full and stops. You hear this? Yeah, these Philips have other issues. Yeah, I'm searching the failure and analyze it, and I'm very sorry for that. Yeah. It's complicated to understand it. Why the motor, turning spin motor, is jumping to the left and to the right, in the track and out of the track, and I never see a failure like this. Okay, I must analyze it and find out, is it the amplifier? But for this case I must order one IC. And if you like my channel, yeah, please subscribe. And thank you for watching.